Saul's not in the mood today, so we'll get to work. This was a tape seam that came apart due to a roof leak. The tape's already been replaced and I started texturing it already, but I figured I'd show you how I get this done. First, I'll thin some drywall mud out in a pan with some water and try to get a really loose consistency. This is a little tighter than I like it, but it'll work. So you get a little bit on the edge of the trowel and tap it on the edge of the pan. And the idea is to try to get some lumps there on the edge of the trowel. Then you just very gently pull it across the face of the patch there. And the idea is to just kind of barely make contact with the drywall. Then again, you barely dip it in there, tap it on the edge, and repeat the process. Just very lightly. Almost no pressure. It's almost like it's not even touching it. And it's a good way to do it. I do have a hopper and a compressor. I just didn't want to break it out for this small patch here. So you just repeat the process until you get to the end of your patch. Take your time and try to match the texture that's up there. It's never going to match 100%, but with a little practice and a lot of patience, you should be able to get it pretty close. This is by no means difficult to do. It's just a matter of taking your time. Remember, very light pressure, almost like you're not even touching it. When you're done, it should look something like this, and the next step will be to take a wet sponge and wipe it down a bit, and then paint it.